way. Good. Make sure we're still pointing. Are we still pointing? And let's take a walk up very quiet. Pointing so hard. Pointing very hard. 2 feet, 2 feet. Good. Now back to the center. And what is this again? High fifth. And legs parallel. Point your feet all the way towards the mirror. Point them hard. From your ankles, bend your ankles over. There we go. And stretch forward. Good. All the way down. Can you get all the way down? This Camille cannot right now. Come up. Flex your feet. Push your heels out. Grab your toes. Good job. Little rock and roll. Little rock and roll side to side. Good. And shake it front. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Perfect.